Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass Google verification on Alcatel 1B 2020. Okay, as you can see, we're doing the setup process. We have the Google verification and we don't have any skip button, and we have a problem. Let me show you what we can do. First, we need to power off our device, so hold the power key and click on power off. Click on OK. And now on your computer, you need to visit our page, HardReset.Info. You can see the link and go to download section. Maybe let me change it a little bit. In here we have the, not the download button, my bad. Hit the name of the page and in here type Alcatel 1B. Select the phone, Alcatel 1B 2020. Go to bypass Google verification. And in here, click on how to bypass Google verification, Google account with Android 9.10 and security patch from March 2021. Okay, and now we need to install Alcatel 1B drivers, mini ADB and fastboot drivers, and our FRP Unlocker app. Now, simply tap on the drivers and hit the download button, then go back. Go to mini ADB and fastboot drivers and also hit the download button. Then go back and select the FRP Unlocker and hit the download button. Okay. Now open up your file explorer. Go to downloads and in here we have our all three files. You need to extract them. I'm using WinRAR, so right click, WinRAR and extract to. You can of course use a different app, or you can click on extract all and extract and it will also fully work. Extract all three files, and now we need to install the Alcatel drivers, so double click, open up the folder, and you gotta turn on the driver installer. Double click and hit the install button. Okay. Then go back to downloads, go to ADB drivers, open it up, and begin with ADB setup. Now press Y on your keyboard, enter, Y, enter, Y, and enter. Okay. Then Android ADB fastboot. Click on next. In my case, it's already installed, so I'll select repair. In your case, if you're installing the drivers for the first time, it will look a little bit different, but all you gotta do is to click on next, 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 and everything will be installed. Then click on finish, and now ADB driver setup. Also select repair because it's installed. Okay, and then click on close. If you're installing the drivers for the first time, now you can restart your computer so everything will work properly. Okay, now we need to launch the recovery mode on our phone. To do it, we need to hold the power key and volume up at the same time. So keep holding. And when you see the Alcatel logo, release the power key, but keep holding volume up. Okay, now using volume keys, go all the way down and select Enable ADB and confirm by clicking the power button. Okay, now select Reboot System now and confirm by clicking the power button. Now we need to wait until our phone turns on. It might take a few seconds, so we gotta be patient. We can also prepare a micro USB cable. Without it, we won't be able to do it. Of course, the cable needs to be connected to your computer also. Okay, our device has restarted, so now we can connect the cable. And now we need to open up our FRP Unlocker app. So go into Unlock FRP 3.0 and you gotta turn it on as administrator. So right click, run as administrator. It has appeared. Now, wait until you see all informations right in here. We have detected, model, version, and the IMEI. And now when you see all of those informations, all you gotta do is to click on unlock. Now, wait a little bit. Okay, it's a success. Now we can close it up. We can also unplug the cable. We won't be needing it anymore. Then click on skip. We need to keep waiting. Click on don't copy. Click on use my Google account instead. Okay, and now we have the skip button. We gotta, as you can see, there's it doesn't say that you gotta sign in, etc., etc. We can click on skip, confirm, go back all the way now to the Wi-Fi page. My bad. Let's do it again, because I have went too much. Again, skip, back, click on setup offline. We didn't have this button before, now we have it. Click on continue. Click on more, and accept. And now we can skip the screen lock, skip anyway. Okay, click on finish. And now as you take a look, in here you can deny for everything. Click on finish, and now our phone has been unlocked, but I highly recommend to perform a reset through the settings right now. And if you reset your device through the settings right now, you won't have any Google verifications anymore during the setup. So to perform the reset, go to the settings, then go to system, it's on the bottom, then tap on reset, factory data reset, and tap on reset phone. Now tap erase everything, factory data reset, our phone will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again. We will see the setup process, but this time we won't have any Google account verifications anymore. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.